Hey, welcome. This is a hands on series on Scikit-Learn, the go to machine learning library in Python. I'm going to show you exactly how each algorithm works, not just the theory, but the real runnable code. Over the next few videos, we'll work through the main machine learning algorithms one at a time. And for every single one, I'll keep it simple. First, the idea in plain language, then the actual code line by line, and then we run it and look at what comes out. We'll start with the simplest one of them all, linear regression. It's the perfect place to begin because the idea behind it quietly shows up in almost everything else. So, picture this, you've got some data about houses. For each house, you know two things: how big it is and the price it sold for. Every dot you see here is one house, its size along the bottom, and its price going up the side. Bigger houses tend to cost more, so the dots gently drift upward as we move to the right. Now a brand new house comes on the market. We know how big it is, but we have no idea what it should sell for. And that, predicting the price, is exactly the problem we want to solve. If only we had some simple rule that turned a size into a price. Well, linear regression does something wonderfully simple. It draws one single straight line through that whole cloud of points, the one line that sits as close as possible to all of them at once. Notice it won't pass through every dot perfectly, and that's completely fine. We're after the overall trend, not every little detail. And once we have that line, making a prediction is easy. We start at the new house's size, go straight up until we meet the line, then straight across to the price axis. Wherever we land, well, that's our predicted price, no guesswork. We just rate it right off the line. Now here's the thing, that line is really just a tiny equation, y equals w times x plus b. The w is the slope, how much the price goes up for each extra square foot. The b is the base price, where the line starts. Change w and the line tilts. Change b and it slides up or down. And the whole job of the model is to find the two numbers that fit the data best. But out of all the possible lines, how does it choose the best one? Like this. For every point, it measures the gap between the real price and the line, those little gold lines. Each gap is an error. It then searches for the one line that makes all of those errors squared and added up, as small as they can possibly be. Squaring just means a few big misses hurt more than many tiny ones. One last idea before we open the code. To be honest about how good our model really is, we don't train it on everything. We fit it on most of the data, and we deliberately hold a chunk back, so later we can test it on houses it has never seen. If we test it on the same data we trained on, it could simply memorize, and we'd only be fooling ourselves. And in Scikit-Learn, that entire process is just 5 small pieces. One to split the data, one for the model itself, fit to train it, predict to use it, and a score to grade it. Alright, let's actually write it. Okay, here's the whole program top to bottom. It's around 25 lines and nothing is hidden from you. Don't worry about memorizing any of it. Just follow along as we take it one section at a time. First, the imports. NumPy handles the numbers, Matplotlib draws the chart, and from Scikit-Learn, we bring in three things: the linear regression model, the train test split function, and the R2 score we'll use for grading. Next, we make a little data to play with. We take 100 points that roughly follow a line. Y is 2.5 times x plus 1, and then we sprinkle some random noise on top, so it behaves like real, slightly messy measurements. In a real project, this is where you'd load your own spreadsheet instead. Then we split it, 80% of the houses to learn from, and 20% held back for testing. that random state of 42 just guarantees we get the very same split each time we run the file, so the results stay repeatable. Now the heart of the whole thing, we create a linear regression model and we call fit, handing it the training data. This single line right here is where the model actually learns. Behind the scenes, Scikit-Learn solves the math that lands on the best slope and intercept our W and B. With the model trained, we let it predict on the test set the houses it never got to see. Then R2 score grades those predictions. 1 would be a perfect fit and 0 would be no better than guessing the average. We print it out and here we get about 0.91, which is really strong. And finally, we draw the picture. The real test points become the scattered dots. The model's predictions become the red line running through them. And pill dot show pops the figure open. A simple plot like this is often the fastest way to trust or to doubt a model. And that's linear regression from start to finish. Load, split, fit, predict, score, and plot. Here's the best part. That exact same 6-step pattern works for nearly every model in Scikit-Learn. So next time, we'll rouse it to predict categories instead of numbers. That's logistic regression.